So we're starting row 3, and for this row we will be adding another leaf right here after this little growing leaf. So for the first leaf it will be 3 double crochets together. We already did chain 5, and this is the last stitch for this leaf, so it's always 3 double crochets together. So don't finish the first one, don't finish the second one, don't finish the third one. Now we have 4 stitches on the hook, and pull yarn through all 4 of them, and chain 2. And for the little growing leaf we'll be doing 2 double crochets in the first stitch, because the leaf is growing, then just 3 regular double crochets in each of the next 3 stitches, and that represents the middle of this leaf. And the third double crochet, and now to finish it, 2 double crochets in the last stitch. Chain 2, and now we're adding the leaf in this chain space, so 3 double crochets in that chain space. Chain 2 after that, and this leaf is decreasing, so it will be 2 double crochets together on each side, and then 3 double crochets in each of those stitches. And the last 2 are 2 double crochets together. Chain 2, and finishing this leaf with 3 double crochets together. Chain 2, increasing this little leaf, so 2 double crochets in the same stitch, now 3 regular double crochets in the next 3 stitches, and 2 double crochets in the same stitch for the last one of this leaf. Chain 2, and we're adding another leaf right here, so 3 double crochets in that chain space. And after that, don't forget chain 2 as after every leaf, and to finish 2 double crochets together. first stitch for this leaf. Now 3 double crochets, and the last stitch is another 2 double crochet together. There always has to be symmetry in those leaves, so you know what you're doing if you just look at the beginning and do the same thing at the end. Chain 2 and double crochet in chain 3 of the turning chain. And that completes this row. We added another leaf and we did 3 rows, so 3 more to go. So row 4 we did chain 5, turned. Now this leaf is obviously decreasing, so we will be doing another 2 double crochets together in the first stitch. Another 1 double crochet in the middle, and 2 more double crochets together. That's the first leaf of this row. Chain 2. Now we will be obviously increasing for this new leaf over here, so 2 double crochets in the same stitch, in the first stitch, 2 double crochets, then regular double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. So now from 3 double crochets we have 5 double crochets for this leaf, and that's how it's growing. Chain 2. This leaf is growing also, so we will be doing 2 double crochets in the first stitch, then 5 straight double crochets in the next 5 stitches, three, 4 and 5, and in the last stitch 2 double crochets in the same stitch as it is increasing. So you can see the logic in this pattern. It's actually very pleasant to work on it because you always know where you are. Chain 2, and we just skip this leaf because there's nothing in here. It's already finished, so we will be doing 2 double crochets together for the next one. And this hole may seem a little big sometimes, so just try to have those chains too not that big, and make sure that your double crochets together are also not extended too much. And the overall pattern, it will look fine. and another double crochet here, and for the last stitch 2 double crochets together, chain 2. For this new leaf, we will be doing 2 double crochets in the same stitch for the first one, then regular double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 more double crochets in the last stitch, 1 and the second one in the same stitch, chain 2, and the sleeve is increasing also, so 2 double crochets in the first stitch, five double crochets in the next stitches, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we have the last stitch left, so it will be 2 double crochets in that same stitch, and chain 2, and double crochet in the chain 3 of the turning chain, and this row is complete.